Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title, Python tutorial, printing odd numbers. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore a simple Python script to print odd numbers. Python provides several ways to achieve this, and we will cover two common methods. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use loops and conditional statements to print odd numbers in Python. Method 1, using a for loop. Explanation. Method 2, using a while loop. Explanation. Conclusion. Both methods achieve the same result, printing odd numbers within a specified range. Depending on your specific requirements, you can choose the method that best suits your coding style and preferences. Practice using these examples and feel free to modify them according to your needs. ChatGPT.